But let's move on to an exclusive unplugged conversation that Anuj had with Nirmal Jain of IIFL, where he talks about corporate social responsibility and his favorite books.
CSR has been a great thing, making it mandatory for corporates. But other than CSR, my family and we also personally do something on the religious, for our Jain religion kind of a thing. So we created a place of worship which is Thandak here, and we have contributed, and we've been the founding contribution there in Bombay. But other than that, the CSR started actually when it became mandatory. So we thought that let's do some genuine and good work. It's reasonable money. So last year we spent 10 crores on that. This year probably we'll have a larger kitty. And there's one Sarika Kulkarni, she is helping. She has a lot of experience in this. She has done a lot of work in this. So what we are trying to do is that whatever money we have, make sure that you give some time also, not only you but many of your senior colleagues, and make sure that that money is used effectively and and purposefully. It's just not that you write a check and forget about it. You give some time, and then money goes an extra mile.
You personally travel to some of these villages?
Personally, I have been to some of these places, seen, and I continue to do that.
Okay.
And I want to do a lot more of it actually.
Okay. Are you a big reader? Do you read a lot?
So I do read, now whether big or small, but of course my reading has come down, but I do read a lot.
Okay. Which has been your favorite book in stock markets?
The stock market, I have read all the standard ones, from Intelligent Investor to Liar's Poker. I have read most of them.
Okay.
The most favorite has been Reminiscences of a Stock Operator.
Okay.
So that has been a good movie. In my younger days, I had read a lot of Ayn Rand also. I have I read variety of books.
Okay.
So from Being Mortal, which is Governde's book about old age, to these motivational book like Boys in the Boat, to a lot of stock market book. I read a lot of stuff.
Okay. Where do you see yourself, Nirmal, in next 10 years, 15 years, and what are your plans for your family now?
No, I think my family, in 10 years time, I'll probably continue to do the business and look forward to retirement after 10 years. As far as my family, I think all the kids have to get educated very well, and they should stand on their own feet and start working, and obviously hopefully, and they'll get married well. So I think it's family life which has to go on, and all my kids hopefully will do well in life, because they're good, sincere, and I'm blessed with that. So I'm quite God has been kind there.
Okay, and you can catch more of that interesting conversation through the day only on CNBC TV 18. And with that, we're also going to wrap up trading hours. Stay tuned. Halftime report just after a short